Hey guys, welcome back to another Clean Phone video. In today's video, we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile and how they're offering free phones in Walmart. So, I don't know if you've known, but I've made a couple videos about this where Metro by T-Mobile now is not just a brick and mortar store on its own. They are actually now in Walmart. So, of course, Cricket Wireless is in there as well. And I've seen some Metro by T-Mobiles actually take over a Cricket, an old Cricket, basically a little slot that they had in Walmart and vice versa. So, they're also a service in Puerto Rico now. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is by bestmvno.com. Check them out, guys. Sorry, woke up really early, like 6 in the morning. So a little sleepy here. So it says Metro by T-Mobile is offering free phones in Walmart stores. Wave 7 Research recently described the offering in a prepaid report the firm sent to its subscribers after first receiving a tip from a T-Mobile marketer. So it says Wave 7 Research also reported that Metro by T-Mobile has launched stores and services in Puerto Rico. So that's pretty cool. So of course, here are some of the deals. Really nice. So it says a total of 4 phones are available for free from Metro by T-Mobile in Walmart stores. You can either get the Moto G Pure, the Samsung Galaxy A03s, the A12, or the Rebel V Plus 5G for free. That Rebel, the 5G one was probably the best one out of all of them. They're all low-end phones, honestly, guys. They're not going to be, anything super in the middle and, super expensive, of course. But still, hey, free phone, not bad. It says the lead offer is for a free T-Mobile Rebel V Plus 5G. So that's like kind of what they're leading with. That's what they're pushing. That's probably the best phone they're offering for this promo. And you definitely want to get the best phone if you're going to get a free phone. You know what I mean? It says a signage for it can be seen in Walmart stores. Walmart has also been advertising that offer on TV inside its stores and also online. So that is true. If you go to a Walmart, by the electronics section, you always hear different advertisements for Straight Talk, US Cellular, Verizon, Cricket Wireless, whatever they have to offer. It says the free phone offerings are something really rare for prepaid providers to make them available at Walmart. That is true. Usually they give you a price cut on the plan itself, but not really too much free phone promos. I know AT&T prepaid starting to do something with that, but it says free phones are usually just available through the dealers, but that is true as well. Like if you go to excuse me, if you go to the Boost Mobile section, they don't usually have a free phone selection. They will just go ahead and tell you to get that phone or this phone. You do get a discounted price usually, and also you get either a discounted price on the plan or you get more gigabytes for your plan. It says the phones are free via an instant in-store rebate and requires a purchase and activation for an unlimited plan. At checkout, available plans include the following. So wow. So you don't have to do anything as long as you buy the phone and you start up probably new service with them. And you go to checkout, they will give you that instant rebate. So you don't have to wait for a mail-in, a rebate or anything like that. And also has to be on one of the unlimited plans. So it says, here's the three, $40 a month gets unlimited 4G/5G, free 1-year subscription to ViX Plus streaming. For $50 a month, you get unlimited 4G/5G, 5 gigabytes of hotspot, free 1 year of ViX Plus streaming, 100 gigabytes of Google One membership. That's a pretty good deal actually. $60 a month gets you unlimited 4G/5G, 15 gigs of hotspot, free 1 year of the ViX Plus streaming, and 100 gigs of Google One membership. So the real difference here is hotspot, but that's about it. It says all plans include unlimited talk, text, and high-speed data. Customers using more than 35 gigabytes of high-speed data during a billing cycle will have their data speeds temporarily reduced during times of network congestion, and video does stream at 480p. And of course, all the plans are eligible for the ACP discount, which is done through the government, which is not bad at all. So, like I said, for me, Metro by T-Mobile and Cricket, the only drawback is your video streams do stream at 480p. Like I said, I like to watch, anime and Hulu, Netflix, all that stuff on my phone, even if there's not a Wi-Fi connection. I do want to watch it in full HD, So another thing is Metro by T-Mobile is launching Puerto Rico. So Metro by T-Mobile has launched services in Puerto Rico per a new prepaid report through Wave 7. It's a multi-carrier dealers. It launched in some of the multi-carrier dealers, and T-Mobile hopes to have 30 Metro by T-Mobile exclusive stores open by the end of the year. Good God. It's pretty good, of course. They're saying that Metro will run on T-Mobile's 5G network, making it the first prepaid provider to run on 5G in the territory. Wow. So Puerto Rico, I guess, does not have any 5G like here in the U.S. I guess T-Mobile will be the first prepaid saying carrier or provider that will have 5G in the territory. So that's pretty cool. It says they'll also be able to get tablets and 5G hotspots as Metro hopes to make broadband internet more available. So, like I said, it's not as available here as like it is in the U.S. compared to Puerto Rico. So it's nice that they are trying to go out there and give internet to families that can't or that don't have somebody to go and give them that. But as you can see here is the marketing stuff. Free 5G phone with new line in-store activation on a $40 monthly or higher plan. So to get this phone, it has to be a new line and has to be activated in the store for $40 a month, or the two other plans that I showed you guys. Here's the other ones as well, but this one's definitely the best one with 5G. Metro by T-Mobile's internet's the best one, and it's on the 5G network. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. And yeah, are you excited about this? Have you seen any Metro by T-Mobile stores in your area? I've definitely seen some in mine. So yeah, let's check it out.